Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I made these really beautiful mirrored table runners using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my first table runner, I used 11 of the Octagon shaped mirrored candle holders. I used some craft sticks, my E6000, hot glue, and hot glue gun. I have the complete list of everything that I use for all three projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove these stickers from 8 of my Octagon shaped mirrored candle holders. I then laid those candle holders face down, and then using my E6000 hot glue and craft sticks, I attached all 8 of those Octagon shaped mirrors together. I then flipped my design over, and then again using my E6000, I attached my last 3 mirrors right on top. To complete the project, I simply removed any glue strings, cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. This design is very simple but elegant, and I think it turned out beautiful. For my second table runner, I used 5 more of the Octagon mirrors, 1 of the square mirrors, 3 of these Tealight candle holders. I found 3 in silver and 1 in gold. I also used some additional craft sticks, and again my E6000 hot glue gun and glue sticks. Just as I did in the first project, I used my E6000 and my craft sticks and hot glue to attach 3 of the Octagon mirrors together. I then flipped those mirrors over, and then after removing the stickers from my square Tealight holders, I used my E6000 to attach 2 of the silver Tealight candle holders to the top of the Octagon mirror. Because these candle holders aren't finished on the bottom of them, I decided to flip these candle holders upside down so that the finished part of the candle holder would be reflected in the bottom mirror. Plus, I'm going to add a second layer of the mirrors on top, so you won't really be able to see the unfinished part of the candle holder when this project is complete. I placed the gold right side up because I wanted the 2 center pieces to have the ridge designs in the center. I actually picked the gold just because they only had 3 silver and 1 of the gold available at my Dollar Tree, but I do mix metals, so this turned out fine. To complete the project, I used my E6000 to attach a Octagon mirror to each side of my design and my square mirror to the center. I then cleaned up my glue strings, cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. Of course, this is more of a centerpiece. To make it more of a runner, you can just add additional Octagon mirrors to each side to the length of your table. But this was for my dinette, so I kept it relatively small. Mixing the silver and the gold together made this a really fun piece, and I think this design turned out beautiful. And for my last and final design, I used one of the round mirrors from the Dollar Tree, 3 of their silver serving trays, again my craft sticks, and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. I also used this 2-inch lever punch that I purchased from Michael's. It was regularly priced at $12.99, so I waited until I could use my 60% off coupon, and I was able to score this beauty for a little over $5. So the first thing I did was remove the round mirror and the cardboard from its frame, and then I traced the mirror onto the cardboard, making sure to include the hanging hook on the back. I then took a pair of scissors and I cut off the excess. I'll show you what I do with this piece of cardboard a little bit later on in the project. Next, I cut the centers out of all 3 of my trays. I only used the smooth center of the trays for this project. As you can see, I used my circle punch to make perfect 2-inch circles using my serving trays. Of course, you can always trace circles and cut them out manually, but this device makes the process a lot easier and the circles come out perfect. I then flipped over my mirror, placed my circles around the mirror face down, and then used my hot glue and my craft stick pieces to attach the circles to the mirror. I then added 2 additional rows of the circles, and I made sure that I used enough hot glue and craft sticks to ensure that all of the circles were connected and were securely in place. And then finally, I used my hot glue to reattach the cardboard backing to the back of the mirror. This one was by far my favorite design because not only can you use it as a centerpiece or a table runner, depending on how far you extend the circles out, but when you're not using it for your table, it also makes a pretty cool wall decor piece as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.